guys, today I have 4 different slimes and they each smell. So we're going to be opening them and I'm going to be opening them and playing with them and smelling them, okay? And what they smell like. First up, pink.
Glorious food.
Smells like kind of like a strawberry. Guys, this is really satisfying right now. I put it back in the container. Next up we have yellow. It's more like bananas. Red. Smells like a glue. It's like metal glue. I don't know where it's made. Let's look at it in here. And then last, green. It's warm. And it smells like green apple. Bye guys, I'll be back with more fun videos.